Do you think that the government's keeping its promises to troops in terms of what their pay and benefits, both in the service and out, are? I mean, do you think that we have broken promises, or are we mostly keeping them?
No, we're not keeping them. That's what the title of what they're saying, the Pentagon and administration, is that we're keeping faith. But you heard it earlier, just pick healthcare, for example. What they want to do is discriminate against military people and say, if you serve longer, you're going to have to pay more for your healthcare. If you're more successful, you're going to have to pay more. That's discrimination. The president, Representative Forbes, they pay the same thing for their health care as the junior person working in their office. Civilian companies, less than 7% of them ask you to pay for your health care based on what you earned or what your retirement is. And so this is simply wrong. It's discriminatory. And so that's breaking faith.
But the chairman of the Joint Chiefs, in testimony before Congress, said that he would be happy to pay the higher fees for his TRICARE.
I mean, I think if you would ask most people, they think it isn't what you pay after you leave the service, particularly for the 17% that stay for a career. It's what you paid to get to that point in decades of service and sacrifice. So most of your fees for your TRICARE program are paid up in upfront sacrifice by you and your family. And it's very hard to get civilians working in the Congress that are trying to do the mental math. Well, gee, I pay this much and you only pay this much. That's a good deal. We always like to say it's such a good deal. All you have to do is line up at your recruiting station and spend 20 or 30 years going to Iraq or Afghanistan. You can have that same benefit.